These two milks right here, y'all, these two milks are pantry staples. I want to encourage you to keep your pantry stocked with at least 1 can of each one of these milks. Pet milk. I still to this day call it pet milk. I remember Mom used to send us to the store and say, bring me a can of pet milk, and we knew exactly what she was talking about. We never called it evaporated milk. We called it pet milk. And one time I tried to do that with my kids, so to bring me back a can of pet milk. They said, Mom, we don't have any pets. And they didn't realize that I was talking about the brand pet milk. But we use this, Mom used this to make ice creams and soups, gravies, and for a basic pan of macaroni and cheese, y'all. This is before y'all took macaroni and cheese to another level, baby. This is like when everybody was poor and you use 1 cheese and you use this milk right here to make a basic pan of macaroni and cheese. This milk we use for caramel cakes, and Mom also used it for as a coffee sweetener. She poured in her coffee and stuff. And now, when my kids were coming up, I would use this as a secret milk ingredient to my biscuits and make my version of Chick-fil-A. I stuff my kids' biscuits with chicken. I stuff my kids' biscuits with sausage, and they would have that back in the mouth hint of sweetness from my biscuits. Oh my God, baby, they stopped eating fast food, baby. Between that and cornbread, they stopped eating fast food. I was using this milk right here. Learn what these milks can do for you in your kitchen. You can even make buttermilk out of this milk right here. Learn what they can do for you. Now, the difference between the two is that this is a milk that has had sugar added. This is a milk that has had the water removed. So if you run out of milk and you need milk and you got a can of evaporated milk, pet milk in your pantry, you just equal parts milk to water. So however much milk you need a cup of milk, half a cup of pet milk to half a cup of water will equal a cup of milk. That's what you do with these milks, and it's great use for you. I want to encourage you to get these in your pantry, okay? This is Val Taylor signing off. See y'all in the next video. Bye now.